I was born a premature baby, me and my twin brother. And at one point, the doctors pronounced my twin brother dead. And they called my mom to come in. And they said, bring your priest, because your children are not going to make it. And so my mom came in, and she was with her mother-in-law at the time. And my grandmother said to her, don't cry, your children are going to be fine. And I just feel like as Christians, we have that authority to speak of our situations. And I believe that that was a God thing. It was a God moment for my mom to trust God to pull me and my twin brother through. And we were born 2 pounds each. And, you know, we were on a respirator, blood transfusion, the whole 9. You know, and I just believe that God wants to show off sometimes and pull you through your own situation, and you have no idea. But all you can do is just give Him glory. And, you know, as much as I treasure the fact that God decides to sustain me, sometimes you doubt why you're here. Sometimes you doubt, like, Lord, what's going on? And as you go on, you realize, man, life is pretty short. So if I'm here, Lord, what do you have me doing? Sometimes I don't feel like I'm here for a reason. And when the shooting happened at the school in the kindergarten class, you know, it broke my heart. And I read a poem online that talked about, you know, that day those children entered the presence of God, and it was beautiful. And it was good to hear something positive come out of such a tragic moment. But then God showed me something. He says, you know, life is short. Life is really short. But eternity is too long for me to spend it without you. And it touched my heart to, like, you know, doesn't matter what you're going through. You know, God has you here for a reason. And as much as life may put a beating on you and bring you so much pain and suffering, He wants to be that healer. And that's the message He really put in my heart, that He's a healer. He's a healing God. And this song is called Beautiful. God had to begin to heal my image of who I was, but first show me how good He is. Sometimes we can't enjoy the blessings of God, or enjoy our existence, or enjoy this walk of life, because our eyes are covered with so many wounds and so many afflictions and so much hurt and pain and family issues and so much stuff. It's hard for us to see God past it. So God, what He has to do first is begin to peel back those layers and begin to pour a healing into your life that you know is God. So when God began to touch my heart and touch my life and just show me His goodness and show me that I was beautiful because of who He is, everything began to change. I realized I couldn't keep silent. I couldn't keep silent. And in the same way a man pursues a woman to conquer her, for him to be his bride, that's the same way God is trying to conquer our hearts today. And just what our sister Nadine said earlier, what God is looking for is not for you to have Him as a checklist, but He's looking for you to respond to His love. He's looking for you to respond to His heart for you, and how He sees you, not how you see yourself. And so I just want to proclaim healing over people in this place tonight, and those who are watching, that God is a healing God, and He has a plan, and He has a purpose for you. Despite what doctors may have said, despite what your grades say, despite what diploma you have, or where you didn't go, or where you want to go, God has a plan. And don't let your failures or your faults and the pain stop you. But let God pour out His healing so He can show you who you really are. And I just want to encourage you with this song. I was so unique. Now I feel skin deep. I count on the makeup to cover it all. Crying myself to sleep, 'cause I could not keep their attention. I thought I could be strong, but it's killing me. Someone hear my cry. I stand in awe. Look inside my heart and be amazed. I want to hear you say, who I am is quite enough. I want to be worthy of love and beautiful. Sometimes I wish I was someone other than me, fighting to make the mirror happy. I was trying to find whatever was missing. Won't you help me back to glory? I want to be beautiful, make you stand in awe. Look inside my heart and be amazed. I want to hear you say that who I am is quite enough. I want to be worthy of love. Oh, you made me beautiful. You make me stand in awe. You stepped inside my heart, and I am amazed. I love to hear you say, who I am is quite enough. You made me worthy of love. I'm gonna sing it one more time. Jesus, you made me beautiful. You make me stand in awe. When you stepped inside my heart, I am amazed, so amazed. And I love to hear you say, who I am is quite enough. You made me worthy of love and beautiful. Covered by your glory, God. Covered by your grace, oh God. They won't see my past, no. All they see is you. All they see is you. All they see is you. They don't see my pain, no. All they see is your healing touch. 'Cause you make me beautiful. You make me stand in awe. You stepped in